students, today I am going to show you how to make snake finger puppet. So required material is paper, white sheet. You can take any color paper. You can take yellow color paper also. Scissor, sketch pens, pencil, Fevicol glue. So let's start. Draw snake picture. Cut the picture with scissor. Now take color sketch pen. Here I took one red color sketch pen. Make some patterns on the snake. Like here I took small circles, polka dots, okay. Here diamond shape, small and big size diamond shape. You can draw slanting lines also like this. Make some patterns on the snake body. Color sketch pen and make eyes of snake. Do some dots here. Now take piece of red color paper for the tongue of snake. Here I have already cut one tongue of snake. Okay. Now take glue, put some glue on the tongue and stick it. Now our snake is ready. Okay. Now take piece of paper. Take measurement of your finger like this. Our snake finger puppet is ready. Do this activity at home and send me the pics of your activity.